Hello, it's Emmanuel from My Little Cookbook, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be sharpening a knife. I got this knife for around $3 from a website called Brandless, and needless to say, as all knives, it went dull. And the good part is that I got it really cheap, so if I wanted to, I could just replace it with another replacement. But what we're going to try to do is actually sharpen it. So we have one of these sharpening stones. On one side you have a very fine smooth surface, and on the other side you got a coarse surface. So what you got to do is you want to find the coarse surface first, set it down like we got a little paper towel here, and it's wet so that way it won't move as much as it was on a smooth surface. And then what you do is you take your knife and you put the end of the blade like this at a very small angle. You want to have it like maybe at a 15-degree angle or something like that, and all you do is you go like this and you slide it all the way down the length of the blade. You do once on one side, then you flip it over and you do it on the other side. Once on one side, once on another side. Depending how dull your knife is, you have to do it, maybe 3 times, 6 times, 10 times. Just keep on doing it until you can tell that it's got a lot more sharp. And then once you've got it pretty good sharp, like the amount of sharpness that you want on it, say you do it like about 10 times, then what you do is you flip it over to the other side. Let me just sharpen it one more time. And then what you do is you flip it over to the very smooth side, and what you do is you just polish it, and you just do the same exact thing that you were doing. You just slide it like this, keep it at a very slight angle, and yeah, that's basically how you sharpen a knife. If you don't know how to do it, I would start off doing it with a really cheap knife, so that way if you mess up, you only lost a couple of bucks. I wouldn't start off doing it on like $100 set of knives, but that's basically how you would sharpen it. I might do it for a few more times here, but yeah, it's easy stuff to do. Make sure to sharpen your knives because it makes your cooking a lot easier. Thanks for watching.